Hello, I'm Natasha from Vostex team. Now the summer is over and autumn is coming, we have the opportunity to make a bag with winter materials, such as wool, and darker colors, such as black, grey, brown and red. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a tote bag. Don't forget that depending on the combination you make, your bag will be unique. So let's go together step by step to see how it's made. Here is what you need. Fabric for the lining, fabric for the outer layer, rigid tape for the handles, accessories to decorate it, scissors, pins, and of course our sewing machine. Step 1. The first step is to cut the fabric. We have to cut 4 pieces in total, 2 pieces for the outer fabric and 2 pieces for the lining fabric. My 4 pieces are 60 cm to 50 cm because I want my tote bag to have enough space. The fabric I'm using for the out layer is this wool fabric with black and beige flowers. On the inside I'm using this playful cotton printed fabric with beautiful cut princesses. Such a great combination, don't you think? Step 2. The next step is to show you the handles on the fabric. Take your rigid tape. For this tutorial I picked this soft one in Bordeaux color. The length must be 1 meter and 50 centimeters. Don't forget to cut another piece of rigid tape of the same length in order for them to be equal. Lay your out fabric with the good side upwards. Create a semicircle with the one of the rigid tape strip and then place it just like this. Fasten with pins and sew them. Repeat the same process in the other out layer fabric. Step 3. So take your 2 out pieces and place those 2 together, with the good side inwards. Fasten with pins. And sew the right side, the left side, and of course the bottom. Step 4. In this step, we take the 2 pieces for the lining. We place them like this with a good side inwards. Fasten with pins. And sew the right side, the left side, and of course the bottom. Step 5. Now, in this stage, we need to place the lining inside the bag, but I have an extra tip. To create a wider bottom, we have to do the following trick. Grab your 2 out pieces that we sew. Find the corners and fold this way. Fasten with pins and sew. The more you fold it, the wider the bottom will be. Grab in front of you the 2 out pieces that we sewed previously. Take the 2 lining pieces, then turn it inside and place it like this. Fasten with pins. And sew only the top part around. Step 6. Now all we have left is to decorate the bag. The black cotton fringe is suitable for this tutorial. Take your bag and turn it inside. Place the fringe around the top part. Fasten with pins. And let's go to our sewing machine for the last time. And look at that! Our first tote bag is ready to accompany us to the office, for a walk, even for shopping. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and visit www.vostexfashion.com to make your orders. See you soon!